Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a folder on the Box the Content Cloud application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on this browse or collections button and click on the plus icon in the right side corner of the screen and tap on create new folder. Then you should type in your new folder's name. Then tap on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen. As you can see, your folder has been created. However, it is completely empty. So if you want to add any content here, tap on the plus icon and you can either take a photo or video, scan document, record an audio. But you can also move your existing documents to that folder by selecting a document, clicking on the three dots icon next to it. Then tap on the move or copy and select the folder you have created and tap on the move here button down below in the right side corner to move your document to that folder, so you will be able to find it there. That's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.